Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for a Forex journal. First, create a new page in Notion and title it Forex Trading Journal. Then, add a database to this page. This database will be the core of your journal, allowing you to track every trade. Be sure to include properties for key details like your entry price, exit price, and the resulting profit or loss. For each trade, meticulously log all relevant details. This includes the currency pair, your lot size, and the specific date and time. It's also highly beneficial to attach screenshots of your chart at both entry and exit. Don't forget to note your trading strategy and any emotions you experienced, as this provides valuable context for future review. Notion allows you to analyze your performance by calculating key metrics directly within your database. You can set up formulas to automatically determine your win rate, average profit per trade, and total profit. This data helps you identify recurring patterns in your trading behavior. Understanding these trends is crucial for pinpointing areas where you can improve your strategy. Regularly reviewing your Forex journal is paramount for continuous improvement. Dedicate time each week to go through your past trades, noting what worked well and what didn't. Use these insights to refine your trading strategy and make necessary adjustments. Consistent journaling and review will significantly contribute to your long-term growth and success as a Forex trader.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.